So I was thinking about it. I've been trying out some solutions. And eating cereal in a clear Tupperware thing is the best possible way to eat cereal. Because, let me explain. You can get a lot of cereal in there. That's a decent amount of cereal. Now here's where it gets awesome. You know exactly how much milk to put, because you can see it. Now isn't that just the best idea ever? Now, to congratulate my geniosity. That just proves how genius I am. Geniosity. I'm gonna eat this whole bowl of cereal with that creepy noise on my window right in front of you. There's two brands of Rice Krispies. There's Rice Krispies, then there's like the Kroger brand, Crispy Rice. Crispy Rice is much better. Maybe it has more sugar in it? I don't know. It's cold down here. I was watching it today. That iPhone video came out better than I thought. Man, what's that creepy noise over there? The window's open right there too. And I keep thinking like someone scary and jump out. And it's kind of bad because it's right behind where you guys are viewing from. So if you see me scream and throw this in the air, you know why. Because it might mean I'm probably going to get killed by a man. When does this milk expire? April 23rd. That's next Monday. I think. Today's Wednesday? It's Friday. Oh, it's Friday, 3 o'clock. It's actually, the day you're watching this is for the Thursday day. And time's passed when you're eating cereal. Can you guys believe it's already April? That's crazy. It's been a very quick year so far. But I guess, from my perspective, it's been really fast because I've been doing a lot of stuff. Now, to conclude, to prove my no cereal left, barely any milk left, and that is a perfectly poured bowl of cereal. And now I'm bold. and tired, and I'm gonna go watch the Jersey Shore. We'll talk about the Jersey Shore tomorrow, because Jersey Shore is awesome. And I don't know what... Oh, I know what that sound is. It's rain. It rains in Seattle. I had no idea. I had milk on my mustache. Alright, so I've been working on I'm very tired if you can't tell. It's 3 in the morning again. Surprise, guys, surprise. 3 o'clock in the morning vlog. Working on this awesome drum and bass song. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. Anyway, check this out. I think that sounds pretty rad. I'm pretty happy with it. Right now the code name for this one is... It's gonna be... Hold on, it's gotta be a surprise. It's gonna be Face Climb. Face Climb surprise. Now, just hold on for a few seconds, because in a few minutes I'll go downstairs and eat a bunch of chips. You're rising, kids.